The Neville Goddard Ladder Technique, sometimes called the I will not technique, is a unique method for manifesting desired outcomes. Here's how to use it. Choose a desire. This can be anything you wish to manifest, from a specific object to a larger life change. Be clear and specific about what you want. Set the intention. Affirm that your desire is already fulfilled, stating, I am in the present tense as if you already have it. The ladder exercise. Before bed, find a comfortable position and relax your body and mind. You can use deep breathing or guided meditation techniques. Imagine a ladder in front of you, clear and vivid. Pay attention to details like its material, color, and placement. Silently repeat the phrase, I will not climb the ladder, while keeping your attention focused on the ladder. This creates a state of desire without resistance. Climb the ladder. Then, unexpectedly, visualize yourself climbing the ladder, rung by rung. Climb up slowly, feel the physical sensation of movement and the emotions associated with your desire fulfilled. Reach the top of the ladder and step off, feeling completely immersed in the fulfilled state of your desire. Savor the positive emotions. Repeat and release. Practice this visualization consistently for 3 nights, or until you feel a shift in your internal state. Then, let go of the technique and trust the process. Some additional tips: write it down. Write down your intention, I will not climb the ladder, on a piece of paper and carry it with you throughout the day. By physically writing down your intention, you solidify it in your mind and bring it into sharper focus. It helps to combat any doubts or wavering belief. Carrying the note with you throughout the day acts as a constant reminder of your intention. When you glance at it, it triggers a quick mental rehearsal of the visualization, keeping it active in your subconscious. Remember, the key is to actively engage with your written intention. Use it as a tool to keep your visualization consistent and strengthen your belief in its power. Repeat for 3 nights. Practice the visualization for 3 consecutive nights before bed. Repeating an action for 3 nights helps create a habit and strengthens the visualization in your subconscious mind. The initial visualization might encounter resistance. Repeating for 3 nights helps overcome this and deepen the experience. Aim for the same time and place each night to create a routine and signal to your mind that it's visualization time. Don't just visualize the actions. Feel the resistance, the tension, and the desired outcome of climbing. Immerse yourself in the emotional experience. To observe, be mindful throughout the day. If you see a ladder or the action you chose, note it down without judgment. This involves being present and aware of your surroundings throughout the day. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and external stimuli, particularly anything related to your chosen action or ladders. Don't actively search for them, but remain open to noticing them if they appear naturally. By observing and recording your experiences without judgment, you gain valuable insights into your subconscious mind and strengthen your connection to your desired reality. Feel the emotions. Focus on feeling the joy, satisfaction, or peace associated with your desired outcome. Don't just think about the outcome itself, but delve deeper into the emotions it evokes. Would you feel joy, relief, excitement, satisfaction, peace, or something else? Be specific and identify the dominant emotion. Create a multi-sensory experience in your mind. What would you see, hear, smell, taste, or touch in your desired reality? Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin, the laughter of loved ones, the taste of your favorite food, or the scent of a beautiful garden. Don't just think about the emotions. Become them. Act as if you've already achieved your goal. Stand tall, smile genuinely, and allow your body language to reflect the positive emotions. Create and repeat positive affirmations that reinforce your desired emotional state. For example, if you seek joy, say, I am overflowing with joy and gratitude. If you seek peace, say, I am calm and centered, surrounded by peace. Imagine yourself interacting with others in your desired reality. How would you respond? What would you say? Seeing yourself navigate situations with confidence and grace further strengthens the positive emotional state. Don't force it. If you don't feel the shift after 3 nights, don't be discouraged. Just continue practicing when you feel called to. You can experiment with different ladder scenarios, like climbing down instead of up, or using a different object instead of a ladder. Remember, the purpose of the ladder method is not just to avoid climbing a ladder, but to experience the power of your imagination and gain confidence in your ability to shape your reality. Enjoy the practice,